Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Making Investment Simple. And in this video, I will be talking about exchange traded funds, and this is the part 2 of the video. And there is a reason why I thought of making a second video on the same topic. I have made videos on exchange traded fund, your ETFs, a few months ago too, but this is the first time I wanted to give you some additional information too. There is a reason because of lack of awareness. Many people do not trade or invest in ETFs. I wanted to give a good information about how you should and how you should plan your finances. So let's begin the part 2 of this video. If you have more suggestions, you can feel free to comment on this video too. All right, so I'm on the NSE India page. This is one website which you should always go, even if it is in your if you are a full-time trader. You should definitely visit this website every day, because this is the source from which the data is actually shown. The actual rate and the actual information, you can get any information. As far as I know, you can get any information on the website. You can go on live market, top 10 gainers or losers, most active contracts. Again, I will be talking about some of those options on separate topic on another video. But here, in this video, I will be talking about ETFs only. So live market, exchange traded funds, you go to here, and then you will get the list of ETFs which are being traded continuously and with good volumes. As you would see here, Axis Gold, Axis Nifty. Right now the markets are closed. Today is the 15th of December 2018, and even in the live market, you will actually see these ETFs. There are Nifty ETFs, Axis Nifty ETF, Gold ETF. That's Birla Sun Life Nifty ETF. Again, you can see the volume for past performance. You will have to just do little more research on it and see the contracts here. Now, these are the ETFs which are actively getting traded at this point of time, or what I mean to say, in the live market, you can actually see it. So, based on where you want to invest, it could be Nifty ETF, Gold ETF. Now, again, as I have already mentioned, Gold ETF tracks Gold, Nifty ETF tracks Nifty. Bank B's track Nifty, Bank Nifty index, and the same goes with, these are different. These are now here, as you can see, eBank. This is basically, it's a very, the liquidity is very, very low, and that's something which you should avoid investing in, even if it is for short term. But usually, in my opinion, your your ETFs, or if you are investing in an ETF, it should be for long-term capital gains. Meaning, you need to think about long-term. Whenever you're thinking, if you are really confused about stocks and which stocks you should invest and things like that, the best way is to put it in either liquid Bs, or ETF, or Nifty Bs. You can, but Nifty Bs you have to accumulate in small quantities. Liquid Bs, as you know, it's a government securities, and you can invest in this, which vary with very, very good yearly returns, with approximately 6 to 8%. So what I mean to say here, these are the ETFs available for you to invest, and you will have to actually see which ETF is actually performing well too. So, other than that, there is one more page from where you can actually see the ETFs. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think it goes to the same place. Yeah, I think this page actually gives you the information about ETFs. The the information, most of the information on ETFs, and some additional information about the structure of ETFs, comparison of. So you can read more about it, how you can compare it with mutual fund. One big advantage, as I've already mentioned, is you can invest in ETFs and use the collateral margin to trade in other segments. Now, the liquid, as you would have seen, liquid funds, liquid Bs. Liquid Bs is usually the one of the safest ETFs available, which traditionally provide 6 to 8% returns. Here, this one, and I'm sorry, I'm just not able to select it. So here, this one. All right, 6 to 8% yearly returns, which is just like your FDs, fixed deposits, which does not attract taxes, unlike fixed deposit. 6 to 8% returns, and then you can use that collateral margin to invest or trade options for regular monthly income. Again, I've spoken about regular monthly incomes in options and things like that, with some very good strategies. 3 to 5% per month is easily. Easily is not a great word to put it across in stock markets, but even if you're a passive trader or a part-time trader, you can actually make 3% on an average return basis from your capital, and that would make around 30 to 36%, 30 to 40%, I would say, yearly returns, plus your 6%. 6 to 8% yearly returns on your already existing. So if you invest in some of these ETFs like liquid Bs, the great thing about it is you will actually be benefiting from your idle money itself. So you're using the idle money for collateral, and then you're using the same margin, same amount for trading in options for passive income. So again, liquid Bs is my personal suggestion. I have also invested in this. However, there are some other funds too, like gold ETFs, Reliance Gold Bs, this one, and other funds too, which tracks a specific index. So gold ETF tracks gold index, Nifty 50, and again PSU Bank Index, Nifty 50 again, Kotak Nifty. So different AMCs handle different kind of ETFs here. Reliance definitely has a lot of ETFs available, and they are performing really well. And so UTI, this is available from UTI also, and other mutual fund houses too. So overall, if you really want to deep dive into the ETF, which ETF you should select for long term, definitely you can park your immediate funds in liquid Bs for now, and then so that your idle money is not idle, it will still be making some money for you, and then think about in the next 1 month or 2 months, if you think there is another ETF, then you can slowly move it towards that ETF, and then see how you can accumulate in the long term. Overall, as I told you, index ETFs are really well. They have less expense ratios, and also over a period of time, if the economy is growing, a long period also, it will provide good returns in the market. So, so that's about it. So yes, this is the right page to actually explore more about the available ETFs available, and it's 52-week high, low, and the volume available at this point of time. So that's it for today's video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to take your questions and answer them. And if you have not joined my Telegram channel, feel free to join. You are always welcome. It's a free Telegram channel, and I do provide live stock market updates there. So thank you, and I will see you again on the next video.